Hey y'all, hey, I just wanted to show y'all me making my lunch and my morning breakfast. Basically, I just eat yogurt and some fruit, and I'm having a salad the next 2 days. Well, I'm having a salad for dinner, I'm gonna make a salad for lunch. So let me show y'all what I put in my salad. So for my morning break at work, I usually eat yogurt, and I'll bring some fruit to put in my yogurt. This week, I have some peaches. Just transfer peaches in a jar, and I'll just eat my peaches and yogurt. I don't have a salad spinner. I don't know why I keep saying I'm gonna get one, but I haven't gotten one yet. So I just rinse them in the sink in this colander. My hands are clean. For my ladies who don't eat dairy, I have 3 dairy-free salad dressings. This one is my absolute favorite. This is creamy balsamic dressing. I buy 2 of these at a time, and I go through them so freaking fast. I love these. This is so good. It is vegan Caesar dressing. Love this zesty ranch. So I'm done packing my lunch. For lunch, I don't even transfer these into a separate container. I'll just carry the whole jar with me. And depending on what I feel like having, I'll either grill some chicken or some shrimp and put it on top of my salad. So here go my salads for lunch with my croutons, because I don't want my croutons to get soggy, so I keep them in a separate container. And this is for dinner tonight. The big salad, I'm not going to have any meat with it, so that's why I wanted a nice big old salad for tonight. Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia Renee. Look crazy. Welcome to the vlog. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. But today is Sunday, and I was gonna wash my hair. That's why I look crazy. But time is going by a little too fast, and I don't think I'm gonna have time to really sit and wash my hair like I wanted to. I showed y'all yesterday my new shampoo and conditioner, and how I was gonna, if it was yesterday or last week, whatever, I was going to take better care of my hair, but we're going to have to start that off another day. So I think I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail. Just gel it down and put it in a ponytail, because yeah, I wanted to wash it and condition it and take my time with it, but yes, it's gonna be too late. I have to still run to the stores today. I want to run to the grocery stores and I want to cook. So I want to make Rasta pasta again today, and have to do my grocery shopping, and you know, wash clothes and change the sheets and clean up the house, do all of that. And I should have gotten up early to do my hair, which I know I wasn't gonna get up early. So who was I playing? I don't know what I want to do. I don't want to. I was gonna do a low ponytail, but I changed my mind that fast. I'm not doing that. So I think I might just put it up in a bun. I got some hair right here. I don't know if I want to. Gosh, I don't know. However I do my hair right now, this is what it's going to be for the rest of the week, because I'm not doing my hair in the middle of the week. In this bottle, I just have some water. I just like the spray bottle. Just plain water. Oh, and I've been using wild growth oil. I found some in my room. I forgot I still had some. I don't like using the wild growth oil in a white bottle because it stink and it make my hair stink. I like the one in the yellow bottle, but I don't have that one. So my hair is a little, I don't say it stink, but it's just a little funky. That's another reason why I wanted to wash my hair, because I just washed it last week, so it's not like dirty. But it just got a little odor from using that wild growth oil. That's why I don't like using that one. Just using some extreme butt line gel. I thought I was getting ready to get on here and show y'all a cute little hairstyle, but this is all that I got, so.
Know some young niggas like to sway. Know some young niggas like to swing. Big bang, take a little bang. Every day spilling up drain. She want the whole crew, shorty break. When the money talks, what is there to say? Blow away, watch it blow away. When I die, can't take it to the grave. Hop out, jump top, fuck your brother, I need it right now. Cash in the area, what goes up, got come down. Getting dough, anything change. Coasting, gripping grain. Going through the money like a fade. Don't say my name in vain. I'm so glad that you came. All these bad bitches getting slain. Broke ass nigga get a clue. All these niggas know how we do. Know some young niggas like to sway. Know some young niggas like to swing. Big bang, take a little bang. Every day spilling up drain. She want the whole crew, shorty break. When the money talks, what is there to say? Blow away, watch it blow away. When I die, can't take it to the grave. Today, the liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. Yeah, I got one virtue, got one in that dance, the only two, man. How many times have I shown improvement, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes, he thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey, yeah, I got one lawyer, got one in that dance, the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the bills or fuck up the deals. I'm posted in stock, home, it's me, the Owls, and the Twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, Weezy and handed it off, I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno, this one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, $1 million in chocolate chips, and that's just how I cook.